What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today I'm finally looking at the brand new style ZL1 Addons front deluxe rock guards. Now, John has gone through a couple iterations of these. A lot of you guys asked, like I did my install video for the rear, we never did the front. That was because at that time we were waiting for what this design is now, are basically turned into it. And what it is new clips, stronger, it won't fall off, rattle, doesn't require the tape. The clips are basically holding it to the car. The tape is a secondary support now. You guys gotta check this out. It's awesome. Let's get into it. So in the package, you're gonna get instructions. You're gonna get 2 clips for each side, so 4 total. And we're gonna be using the pop clips that come on the car already to hold the bottom of it. And now let's go do the install. Okay, so the install, you get your rock guard. You'll see it has, this is a custom form fitted rock guard for our cars. It's not fabricated for all sorts of cars. This is specific for this model. You'll see this pop clip it's edged in there, so the pop clip sits flush and you get a nice tight fit. And then this hole here is actually what you'll be using to put one of the metal clips to fasten it to the car, and you'll put another metal clip up here to hold it. And then again, it does have the tape on the back to just reaffirm that connection. So let's go ahead and pull this pop clip out. And I'm trying to do this one-handed, like a fool. Why have these been doing this to me today? I've been pulling these things apart all day today. So you pull this clip out. Now, we did already wipe down this edge with alcohol. You do want to wipe this down because if you don't have a good clean surface that's free of wax or polish or anything like that, the product, the tape, will fail over time. So if you do wipe it down with a good coating of alcohol, I would even recommend scrubbing it to a point and wiping it down afterwards to get yourself a perfectly clean surface for the tape to adhere to. Now, the initial part, we're gonna go ahead and peel the tape off. If I can get it, maybe. I don't have fingernails.
That's all?
There we go. So I'm gonna peel this off now, because basically I'm gonna pre-seat it with the pop clip. So we'll get this in here. So, and now I'm gonna line this up with the edge, and I'm gonna do it from the bottom and work my way up with the tape to get a nice adhesion. See that? So this sits perfect. Now, this is not done yet. So you could feel right here, you could see where the clip's gonna go here. You feel the body through that hole. And then we'll clip it up here to get a nice tight feel. But if you come around here, you can see that nice seam on the edge. Who wrapped this? So again, each side you're gonna have these 2 clips. What's gonna happen is you get that clip on there, sits in, nice tight edge. Do the same thing up top. Nice tight edge. That thing is going nowhere. So just as I'm gonna throw this in there real quick because John had told me to add this in here. So if you bought a deluxe setup of rock guards from John previously and they're not the new design that use the clips, if you reach out to ZL1 Addons, he will send you the clips for free. You do have to drill the hole in it on the lower side, this hole right here. But if you want the clips, the new way of mounting them nice and clean, he will send you these clips for free. You just got to reach out to him for them. But there you have it. That is how you install the front rock guards for the ZL1 Addons 6th Gen Camaro Deluxe setup. It's a super easy install. Again, there's no drilling, there's no anything. It's literally pop clip, 2 clips, lining up some tape. Anybody can do this. So check it out. Links down below if you guys want to see the product. They do offer a standard version as well, so you do have options a little bit cheaper, but check them out. And again, full transparency, I do now work for ZL1 Addons. This is my buddy's car, Hot Tamale on Instagram. If you guys don't know Bill, we converted him from a Mustang to a Camaro. We did it, guys, we did it. Anyways, thanks for checking out this video. As always, likes, comments, shares are appreciated. Hit that subscribe if you want to see more Camaro content all the time, every week. If not, that's all good. But until next time, I'll see you on the road.